Have you ever felt like your AI images look, well, the same? Like you're stuck in a loop of cliche? Well, you're not alone. A new research paper just proved that AI image generators are stuck in a loop producing just 12 basic styles. In this video, I'm not only going to show you what those 12 styles are, I'm going to teach you how to break them. Researchers at DALL-E University created an AI feedback loop. They gave an image generator a prompt, then had another AI describe the image, and fed that description back as a new prompt. They repeated this 100 times. No matter what they started with, the AI always ended up creating one of just 12 styles, which they called visual elevator music. These are the 12 templates. They include things like maritime lighthouse scenes, Gothic cathedrals, and natural landscapes with dramatic lighting. Sounds familiar? It's because the AI is trained on stock photos and gravitates towards the most common commercially safe images. But here is the solution: 4 techniques to break the algorithm. Technique number 1: hyper-specificity and sensory detail. The first way to fight back is with detail. Don't just say a forest, describe the smell of the forest. For instance, instead of saying a forest, we're going to say something like a misty ancient redwood forest at dawn. Sunbeams pierce the thick canopy, illuminating dust motes in the air. The ground is covered in damp ferns, and the air smells of wet earth and pine. The second technique is unlikely juxtapositions. AI defaults to the expected. The easiest way to break this is to combine 2 things that should never go together. For example, a before prompt would be a knight in armor. The after prompt, a photorealistic knight in medieval armor scuba diving in a vibrant coral reef surrounded by tropical fish. Technique 3: artistic style blending. Don't just use one artist style. Force the AI to blend 2 completely different conflicting styles. For example, if your prompt was a portrait in the style of Van Gogh, you should rewrite this prompt to be a portrait of a cyborg painted in the combined styles of Vincent van Gogh and H.R. Giger. The fourth technique is advanced camera and lens controls. Think like a photographer. Control the camera itself. This forces the AI out of its default stock photo composition. For example, don't prompt a woman in a cafe. Instead, a woman in a cafe shot through the window from outside, cinematic anamorphic lens f1.4 aperture, creating beautiful bokeh, reflections on the glass, moody lighting. So while AI might have its 12 generic templates, you now have the keys to unlock millions more by using hyperspecificity, unlikely juxtapositions, style blending, and camera controls. You can force the AI to be a tool for your creativity, not the other way around. If this was helpful, subscribe for more tips on how to master these tools. Now go create something unique.